Today I'm revealing my personal Atas order flow workspace that I use on a daily basis, and you will be able to download it for absolutely free. This workspace helped me, for example, yesterday to make $1,300 on a Bitcoin long. From order flow to volume and time profiles, everything you need to level up your crypto trading is inside. Let's dive into this. Here is how it looks like. You have 6 screens basically in the workspace. You have the 3 at the tops and the 2 at the bottoms here. All of these screens here are order flow. You have different time frames. For example, here on this one here, if you zoom in a little bit just right here, you can see you have 3 different tabs. Okay, so you can click the tabs and move between the 30, 15 and 5 minutes order flow. Moving on below here, you have the 3 minutes order flow. Next high here, you have the 1 minute. Down here, the 30 seconds. And on the right here, top right corner, you have the 10-second chart. Again, you can move this, remove some screens if you prefer. This is my way to trade. I'm using different view like this on the order flow, for example, to get the MC reactions. But, and by the way, Bitcoin, I don't know what is moving right now, but anyways, but again, you can remove some screens. It depends of your training style. At least you have the order flow, and that's it basically. Moving on the bottom right corner here, you have all the levels chart. So to show you this, I'm just going to go here in the workspace and show you here at the bottom right what you have. So let me just see if you can see really this there. No, I'm gonna move this a little bit more on the right there so you can really see what's going on. Okay, so here is the section where you have all the levels chart. For example, starting here with the 80-20 setups. Okay, so for example, if the daily open outside of the previous day value low, previous day value high, you will next get a possible 80-20 setups. Be careful these days when you get acceptance back next inside the previous day value high or previous day value low, you most of the time swipe these early traders. So for example, let's say that your daily open is above the previous day value high, you come back inside the daily value high, you get 3 consecutive 30-minute candle close inside here. Most of the time, normally this will be the activation of the trade to short, to look next for the previous day value low. Here, what you're going to do most of the time these days is swipe the highs first to stop these first traders, and once you have done this, you then come back down to the previous day value low. So this is a very useful template in my opinion. Next, moving on, you have the naked sessions where you have 4 sessions a day, and these sessions print some levels that you can mark on the chart. So there is a volume V point of control just right there that you have to mark out on your chart every single day if you have any new naked session path control levels to mark out. Okay, next moving on the next one here, we have the TPO. So daily TPO, this is very useful. For example, we have been able to recognize here these 2 pro lows. We have 1 pro low just right here and 1 pro low just right there. That leads to, you can see, a decrease in price to take these pro lows, and from these pro lows, this is where we have been taking the long trade, and that brings us with a lovely increase in price at the moment with a good low made just right there. How cool is that? So this is very useful. You can see we have also the nice levels that you can mark out on your chart every single day. So TPOC here, time point of control. So yeah, that is this template basically. Moving on to the next one, we have the daily naked path control. So every single day you have a volume profile. This volume profile, you have a point of control, sorry. And so this point of control, if this is naked next, this can be added on your chart. For example, you have one below here, you can see at the very bottom here, you have a volume point of control. This one you can mark on your chart. And what I like to do is also click on the ticks here, check on the 250 ticks, and also move into the ticks 1 to see if there is any difference. If there is any difference, I'm gonna mark both levels. You can see here, for example, now it moved a lot higher. So we can mark this one on the chart and the one on the 250 ticks that is a lot lower. Same on the weekly naked path control. This is not a daily naked point of control, this is a weekly naked point of control. So each volume here is a 1 week basically. Each candle here is 1 week, so you just have to do exactly the same. I don't know if there is any weekly naked point of control. Yeah, there you go, you have some here. For example, it will be marked like this when it's naked. No reason will be on the right, mark it here on the right, as you can see. And again, what I like to do here is check on the 500 ticks and check on the ticks 1. So you just have to add ticks 1 here, click enter, apply, see if there is any difference. If so, you add the both levels. If there is no difference, take the one on the 500 ticks or 1 ticks. It depends which one is the best, depending also on your plan on TradingView. Okay, so here you have the weekly negative path control, and the last template here is the monthly negative path control. So again, this is the daily naked path control. You have a daily candle. Okay, it shows basically a daily volume profile, and then from the, if the path control is naked, it will print a level. This is for a week, so you have a weekly volume profile here, and you have the monthly volume profile. Same, for example, here you have a monthly naked point of control. You can see everything is marked here at the very bottom, really with a low opacity here. Basically, this is it. Okay, so this is the workspace, how you can use it. And you have, I forgot here, but a volume order flow, if we can say. It shows basically the strength of the move. For example, if this move down is strong or weak, all of this, you can read this by checking, for example, the open interest. So very useful too. Let's go back on this, and yeah, on the right here, by the way, you have the tape. So this is where you can see all the market orders are added. I added, sorry, some filters, so you don't have all the noise, like all the small trades. You can really see the big ones coming in the tape. So this is very good to enter the trade, also to see if there is some strength coming in the market, basically. So that is it for my workspace. By the way, I have a nice Atas collab for you all, because Atas will become paid mostly on August 12, and so you'll be able to get a discount if you sign up with my link. I will put it right down in the description. So yeah, if you sign up with my link, you will be able to claim an exclusive discount during our weekly event with Atas. That will be between August 11 and August 17. So they will make Atas more paid. Okay, so to enjoy the discount, you will be able to get the promo code that I will share with you during this weekly event between August 11 and August 17. You can already start to sign up with the link, and I will be sharing the codes and everything on the due dates, so you can enjoy discounts. Okay, so now, how can you download this workspace? Again, this is absolutely free. There is no trouble whatever. Just go on the website, go into the download section. As simple as that, you go into the course page, scroll down all the way down, you have a box like this. Okay, there is a download section. Basically, all the way to the top of this download section, you have this Atas Workspace. I'm just going to go on the website here. So you go on the website. Okay, you sign up for absolutely free. No worries, there are no spam or newsletter, whatever. You just sign up. You have some free courses, free lessons. That's it. If you scroll down here from the course page, you can see here. Okay, so go in home, sign up, go into the course page, go all the way down. You have a download section, and you can see you have this Atas Workspace. Just click it, and it will download a file just right here for you. Just next, it's a zip, so unzip the file, and then you just have to go into Atas, basically, just right there. Yes, you go into the settings, workspace, click on the import workspace, you select the file you unzipped, and you have the workspace. You have to click next on the workspace, click load, and this will load the workspace, and you will get exactly the same view than I do here. Anyways, wishing you all some very good profit with this workspace. Hope this one is helping you. If you have any questions, you can also, by the way, join the Discord server. Go into the question channel here. Feel free to ask your questions. If you have anything, do not hesitate. I'm here to answer your questions. Have a brilliant day ahead. Take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.